got the air.
Yeah, that's how I don't want to be at the track.
It's slow.
Oh, slow?
It's too slow.
So you scared now?
A little bit.
Your video when you was
You thought it was fast?
No,
I thought it was gonna be faster. That's all.
I watched your video, fam.
Alright, I ain't finna get in this way. Look at y'all. We're finna go on ahead and get the exhaust done on the Caprice. Got all this stuff right here in the way. This mug got some stuff on it, right? That's why it's so quiet. Damn, he already getting started. I think they X-piped up in there. It's a BBK. I got this for free. Somebody gave me this for free. I know they ain't been giving stuff for free no more, but somebody done gave me this for free. It's for a Camaro though. That's why they gave it to me for free. It ain't like it's just direct fit bolt and go cheese. This ain't bolt and go. This here you gonna still have to fabricate, but it's some free 3-inch. I think that's 3-inch. Yeah, it's free. So I can run that part though. Then it came with these. I'm gonna try to tell. I told them, don't clip all that, man. I need all that. So boom, got that cut. That's what I gotta get rid of her. That's a lot of little 2-inch. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that 2-inch. That's 2 color converters. I already got rid of 2 that was up there. 2. What is it? That's too much stuff going through them too. We finna get it right, y'all. We finna get it right. Look at me. Still work. Got that spit on there, boy. Once they put that spit on there, that's it. Shout out to my boy that didn't want this exhaust. I mean, he didn't like the way it was. He didn't like them clowns. He was like, man, I don't like it. All right, I like it. I like it. Yeah, bring that on over here. I'm gonna show you how much I like it right now. Appreciate that, Nick, man. Appreciate that. You ever bet somebody that'll give you something because they ain't like something? Grab if you want me to. They're one of them people that don't be wanting no help, but like, nah, I got it. I've been doing this for years, you hear me? What's that? Oh, okay, them. Okay, them be holding it up. I forgot about them. This off of here and getting it replaced. It's about to be on, man. I'm getting them electric cutout soon. I'm gonna try to But yeah, I ain't using none of that. Matter of fact, I want my, which one now? Yeah, don't Cali converters for sale. I'm glad they ain't get to steal mine. I got them for sale, man. How much y'all give me for it? Somebody tell me how much they worth, cause I don't even know, man. I heard they been out there stealing, man. You in there? Hey,
yo, Nash, you go crazy.
pretty good. Oh yeah. Made his job a little bit easier. Oh yeah. I wonder how many horsepower I'm finna get from this. I like this kind of exhaust. I think this kind you could take the transmission out without taking the exhaust off. Yeah. I think. Oh yeah, this is good. Man, for free I can't beat that. I got a good ass deal. Well, I like that. It's fits right on there. Make my bill cheap. This thing up like this, it's gonna be that thing there be hollering. Gonna have to take this. Look at this little bitty drive shaft they give you from the factory, man. What you gonna do with this? Can't do nothing but break it. And it's a two-piece drive shaft come on these cars like the Camaro. Tail ain't gonna be leaving that hard.
Hey yo, Nash, you go crazy.
Oh, so he gonna come back in right there. We just got a little. Yeah, that's about the right little height too, man. Or it needs to go up some pretty quick too. Got right on it. I ain't do nothing but drive up there. You know how it be summer, can't that be, oh man, the car's too hot, man. Let it cool out, man. He got right on it, man. I'm gonna find me, give me some electric cutouts, and that'll release that 3-inch. I know this here gonna muffle it right all the way back down, which I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. They gonna be like, God damn, he cold-blooded with the exhaust. Tell them. They gonna say, a la chingada, how you ever? Este muffle. ¿Qué?
Ya me dieron el título de puta.
Puta?
Sí,
What
ya sé cómo mover el culo.
¿Cómo es?
He already got his title.
Oh, he already got his title of a whore.
He already knows how to move it.
Ah, la chingada. You gotta unloosen it now. And he gave you one job, man. You hitting that square. One job, man. He gave you one. And you blew it that fast, man. kind of square is that, man? Throw you off like that. Look, you still throwing it differently.
Quiero pegar. Quiero pegar aquí.
Man, that square. What kind of square that is, man? Hey man, you know how to weld too?
No, wait a minute.
You know how?
No.
Oh man.
Hacksaw.
You just know where to put the clamp at?
Maestro.
Oh, okay. Let's see how straight that. Uh-oh, he finna get started. God. His job was simple a while ago and you messed it up. I seen you didn't. You look pretty good for this.
Hacksaw.
It looks pretty good. So the other one, it looks pretty good.
Aquí debe.
Tá? Sí, bueno. Okay. Look, see? Is it too late? See?
Right there.
See?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. That's better. See, bueno? Mira?
Yeah.
See, bueno?
Oh, yeah.
That's better. See, I caught that.
It's getting right there to see.
Yeah.
In the bottom, no see.
Yeah, you can't see. No see at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, man. We're gonna have it up there looking good, man. I'm gonna have it on the YouTube channel. Oh, look at this shit, God. Yeah, that's C bueno, man. I like it. Just push it up there a little bit more. Angle it correctly for y'all so y'all can see. Yeah, we're gonna have, yeah, that way it ain't hanging. We don't wanna be all up, you know what I'm saying, hanging up under the car. We wanna be, oh yeah, see, it's tough now. Meet some horsepower, man. They just start back talking noise. Ready to start back talking noise, y'all. Dominique Lemons. He seen me up there at Summit. He started talking, yeah, man, he got my photo ready. Alright. Gonna go and get mine ready now. Somebody got his ready. Dominique, I got a new video for you. Go on, get ready. Dominique Lemons got this photo ready for the photo finish. Oh yeah, that day. Oh yeah, I was looking for you that day. I thought that motherfucker, I did notice something when I did that burnout. I said, hey, where all my power at? I said, where my power at? Nah, I'm finna get it back. I'ma go on tune it. I'ma go on tune it, cause I did say I was talking a lot of noise that day. I had confidence that day. Let me get him, knock him out. He gotta be one of the first ones I get. That Caprice in this thing, man. Look out! I left him alone for 3 seconds. He ready to get me up out of here. I ain't get to show y'all the finished product. Golly, but you seen it. It was looking good. I'm finna see if it got a little bit loud. See if I can tell the difference. Yeah, it got a little bit more wood to it. I hear a little bit more basic. Yeah, it got a little more basic. Got a little bit loud. Got a little bit loud. Got a little bit loud. See what it sounds like. I'm in here trying to do a weight reduction. Let me get in here. God dang, this heavy too, man. I just took out 2 bolts. Oh, I ain't even know bolt it back there. Now I gotta put it back up. Let me get to it. Finally got it on out of there. Hey. Oh. Dang. Anybody want to buy it? Golly, yeah, that's a lot of weight, man. I think that's what been holding me back from getting on Dominique early. Okay. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your papa, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.